Find domain and range of the real valued function f of x is equal to square root of x square minus 9. Now since it is a square root function, it is defined only if your x square minus 9 is greater than or equal to 0. This implies x square is greater than or equal to 9. So this implies x square is greater than or equal to 9 if your x lies between minus infinity to minus 3 union 3 to infinity. In other words, you can also solve this since x square minus 9 greater than or equal to 0 implies x minus 3 x plus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Now this number is greater than 0. There are two cases. Case number first, x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0 and x plus 3 greater than or equal to 0, or in case number 2, x minus 3 less than or equal to 0 and x plus 3 less than or equal to 0. So if you combine these two cases, then x greater than or equal to 3 and x greater than or equal to minus 3, or x less than or equal to 3 and x less than or equal to minus 3. Now x greater than or equal to 3 and x greater than or equal to minus 3, that is, suppose this is the line, real line here, and here is minus 3 0 3. So x greater than or equal to 3 this part and x greater than minus 3 this part. So what is the intersection of these two equation is x, since it is an AND, will get x greater than or equal to 3, or in second case x less than or equal to 3, suppose here 0, then minus 3, x less than or equal to 3 and x less than or equal to minus 3. So if you combine these two, then you will get x less than or equal to minus 3. So in the first case, x greater than or equal to 3 means what it is, 3 to infinity, and in the second case x less than or equal to 3 means what it is, minus infinity to minus 3. So if you combine these two equation, then we get this, if you combine these two interval, then we get the domain of this equation, domain of this function is equal to minus 3 to infinity, minus infinity to 3 to minus 3 union 3 to infinity. Now next we want to determine what is the range of the function f of x is equal to under root of x square minus 9. Now since you can use here algebraic method or you can use a graphical method as well. So put here y is equal to under root of x square minus 1. Now since it is a square root function, the one solution is y greater than or equal to 0. Now if you solve this equation in terms of x, we get y square is equal to x square minus 9, and this implies x square is equal to y square plus 9, and therefore we get this as x is equal to, if you solve this in terms of x, we get x is equal to under root of y square plus 9, and therefore now this term is always positive. So here the solution of y is equal to real number set. So this is the second solution. The first solution is y greater than or equal to 0. So again, if you combine these two solution here, if you combine these two solution for y, we get the range of the given equation, given real valued function. The first solution is what? The y greater than or equal to 0, and the second solution is what? A complete real line. So what is the common solution of these two solution? It is what? Y greater than or equal to 0, and therefore the range is equal to 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity, or y greater than or equal to 0. You can also use a graphical method to obtain the domain and range of the given equation. For example, for put y is equal to under root of x square minus 9, if you obtain some points here, then you will get the graphical representation of this equation x y. For 0, it is not defined, it is defined only 3, then it is 0. For minus 3, it is also 0. If it is equal to 4, then it is what? Under root of 7, and minus 4, it is again under root of 7, or plus or minus 4. So, by using this information, if you draw the graph, this equation, you will get here is minus 3 and here is the 3, then this is the graph of the given function, real valued function, and you can observe here the domain of this function is what? Minus infinity to minus 3 and the 3 to infinity union, and the range is represent on y axis. So, range is what? 0 to infinity. Thank you.